Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
कोरोना बाधिल्ल्या जुवारी नगराक निमाणे थाकाय थंयचो कंटेनमेंट झोन काडून 2 मायक्रो कंटेनमेंट झोन केल्यात. केशी ना तो वाठार मेकळो.
Zuari Nagar, our containment zone which was there, it has been converted into 2 micro zones. And since the cases were reduced to 0 in that containment zone, and over 63 days had passed since notification, to give relief to people, it has been converted into micro zones. And subsequently we'll monitor the micro zones, and if subsequently there are no cases, then they will be denotified. Cases are not there. See, as per the guideline issued by the MHA and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, it says that from the last date of recovery of any case, 14 days has to pass for denotification of the containment zone. So wherever 14 days have not passed from the date of recovery of the patient, those areas we have included into micro zone. We have converted into such micro zones so that major zone जे लोक आसा तांकां रिलीफ मेळटा.
कोरोना दुयेंतींचो आंकडो 18,000 तेकलो, बळी 200 तेकले. मडगांवां परिस्थिती अजून आटापा येना, थंय पावणे 500 केशी. फोंड्या मालातूय परिस्थिती आताभायर, थंय पावणे 300. परवरे आनी म्हापशां दिसान दीस केशी वाडत आसा, दोनूय कडेन 170 वयर केशी. 10 दिसांनी घरा धाडपाचे एसओपी वरवीं एक्टीव केशींच्या आंकड्याचेर कंट्रोल. कोरोनाचे बळी 200 तेकले. सरकार अजून कोमॉर्बिडाची रजावां दिता. कितें काय म्हणल्यार कोमॉर्बिड दुयेंती खंय उसरा, दुयेंस खर जाले उपरांत टेस्टी आनी उपचाराक येतात.
What is happening today is people are not coming forward that they will have a social stigma. So they are not coming reporting to hospital on time. Our only plea to people is you report early if you get symptoms. And even in plasma, what we discussed that day, we always said 72 hours are very critical. So if you come within that period, we can really help you a lot by giving plasma. So people should report to us very early.
So plasma 72 hours कित्याक म्हटले तुम्ही?
There is a study that if you give plasma for a critically ill patient within 72 hours, the recovery is better. If somebody comes late with comorbidity, then it becomes double the reason for death, So again, my plea to the public is don't worry about society. If they are having COVID, report to us early. Because a lot of patients are coming and dying soon, and then a lot of patients are brought dead. So we can't do much on this, with the advanced cases.
आधीच ही परिस्थिती. आता अनलॉक 4 देवळां बंद, बॉर्डरी आनी बारां उक्ती. मजगती आयुष मंत्री श्रीपाद नायकाची भलायकी सुदारता. ताका आयसीयूंतल्यान नॉर्मल वॉर्डांत शिफ्ट केला. ताचो रिपोर्ट लो पॉझिटिव्ह. आमदार सुदीन ढवळीकार आनी चर्चिल आलेमावेची भलायकी सुदारता. सुदिनाचे 2 भावांची भलायकी सुदारता. आरोग्य संचालक डॉक्टर दिसाक हाय फ्लो नजाल ऑक्सिजनाचेर दवरला. कालच्यान 2दा प्लाझ्मा चडयलो. भलायकी सुदारता. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.